girls, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be talking to you about the Ives Cleansing Stick. So this is a new product they came up with. Actually, I found out about it because I was scrolling through my Instagram feed. Is that how you would call it? I don't know. But I was doing that and then I saw this like short video of them showing like how to use this product, and I thought it looked fun and easy, so I went ahead and bought it. I got it at Walmart. It was a little bit less than $8, like $7.50 or something like that. And actually I was surprised because they had like such a small division, or like very few of these products, and I actually had a hard time finding them out. But anyway, maybe it's because it's new. What I'm gonna do right now is show you a video of me using it, and then after that I'm gonna give you my opinion and my review about it. So let's get into the video of me doing that. Alright, so that's how you use it. Okay, so here are my thoughts. It smells good, which is a good thing. This one smells like cactus water and hibiscus. Hibiscus, I don't know. I'm Mexican and I don't know how to pronounce every single word in English, but it's this flower.
Okay, so my thoughts are,
the first time that I used it, like when I was rubbing it against like one of my, like where my bones are and stuff, so I felt like, oh, like it hurt me a little bit, and I thought, well, maybe if I like change the way I am applying it or do it softer, it might help with that. So that was one thing. It wasn't like as comfortable to apply, and honestly I don't think it's like, I mean, it's just another cleanser. It's just like packaged in a fun way. Another thing that I realized is that after I washed my face seemed like dry. Not super dry, not that, but it was definitely drier than using like my regular cleansers, which are more like cream or liquid cleansers. So that's another thing. In general, I would say that, I mean, it's a fun product. I think that if you buy it and you like it in like this shape of a cleanser motivates you to actually wash your face at night after you like take your makeup off, then definitely go for it. What I think this would be the best for is for traveling, because of the fact that it comes in a stick. You know, I hate it when we go like through the airport or just wherever where you have to pack like your beauty stuff. I remember like carrying little baggies and just making sure like, oh, I hope this doesn't, you know, spill all over the place. So this is just super smart. Oh, don't drop it. This is just super smart for like traveling. So I would definitely make this the purpose for this product. I don't think I will be purchasing it again unless I like run out of this. But I don't travel that much, but like unless I'm traveling and I run out of this one. But in general, that's it. So my main recommendation, use it for traveling. If you girls are interested, then try it out. If you have already tried it out and have a different opinion, let me know down in the comments. And this is gonna be a short, sweet, and simple video. I will see you on Saturday with a new video. And also, if you want to see more of the content that I make, I am trying to make some upgrades in my Instagram page, so you can find me there at classy.files. I will see you soon, and remember, if you have a case for the Classy Files, tell me about it in the comments. Bye! Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Also, you can scroll down and click the bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you for getting back to Classy with me. Bye!